should have a crowbar, right? All right, today is the day I am going to demo the tile off of my ugly countertop, because once I got the cabinets painted, it looks so nice. It kind of motivated me to do more, and I'm going to replace my tile countertop with a wood block countertop. I've never done it before, but I've been doing a lot of studying, a lot of YouTube University stuff, and so let's give it a whirl. Okay, demo day. All right. Hey guys, it's day 2. I ran out of time yesterday, but I'm going to finish demoing. I'm wearing a baseball cap today because I realized all the dust was going into my hair. So anyway, shout out to my alma mater. I consulted with my friend who's a contractor and someone I trust, and his name is Joe. Hi Joe, if you're out there. And I needed some advice on the substrate or the base here, because it looks like there's plywood here underneath whatever this is. And everything I read said that you're not supposed to place butcher block directly onto plywood, because the butcher block needs to have circulation and needs to be able to breathe. So he told me it's best if I remove the plywood altogether. So we'll see what that looks like. After I tried and tried to remove that plywood from the cabinet frame, I had no luck. So I reached out to my friend Joe, and he's so sweet. He swung by to help me, and this is what happened.
This is super old-timey, so it's probably just held on by finish nails. Try to pop it up.
Okay.
And see if it comes up easy, which it did. And then they are finish nails in there, so I'm going to just take my bar.
Okay.
And I'm just going to gently...
So everyone should have a crowbar, right?
I think so. Try to go up.
Oh, I'd love to get rid of that.
You'd love to get rid of it?
Don't I want to get rid of that?
I don't know. Do you want to have a...
Is it gonna affect my framework of holding? Okay.
Well, I think leaving it in would be better.
Because you don't have a hole.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm just trying to get this up from a different angle.
There's no way I could have done that by myself.
It's another technique.
Okay.
Instead of prying it up, you just put it in like this, and then you turn it. And
Okay.
Right. So this, we might need to. We'll reinforce this, because this is just screwed in right there. So that's not an uh-oh moment, okay?
I was able to remove the plywood base, and we have to reattach this support beam, and then he said this framework is strong enough to hold my wood block countertop. I love learning from the best contractor that we've ever had. He's worked for our family for many years. And remember that very, very vintage built-in cutting board? Joe suggested keeping it in because structurally it kind of added to the stability of this countertop. I decided to add a few more air holes into the cutting board to allow for even more circulation underneath the butcher block top. I'm using the same 1/2-inch saw hole drill bit I used to create my air vent holes in the cabinet doors. These are these quarter support braces that will hold the butcher block in place. Each of these corner braces will be attached to the side of the framework, except for here. This wood, I'll just attach the butcher block right through this wood. And the butcher block is very, very heavy, so you don't need much to restrain the butcher block in place. Each bracket allows me to attach a screw to the bottom of the butcher block. Moment of truth, let me get the butcher block in. To seal and protect your butcher block, you're going to rub in about 3 to 4 layers of mineral oil that's specially made for butcher block countertops. Let it soak in for about 30 to 40 minutes between layers. All right, so, oh, and also I forgot to tell you guys, my plan over here, I'm going to be tiling this whole back here. So that's the plan there and over here. Okay, so I'm going to be tiling here, and that's what we'll do next. Thanks so much for being with me during my small kitchen reno journey. Stay tuned for lots more nutshell living projects to come. See you next time. Bye.